Sunday. Good morning. All right. Sunday, this is the start of this vlog. I am taking y'all with me this week. This week we're doing a lot of things. Let me sit down. I got a new camera, which I'm so excited about. I got the Sony, what is this? The Sony S. I will link it in the description box, like the new camera that I got. So I got a new vlogging camera, and then I got a new like regular camera to do video and photos with. So I'm very happy about that. We are cleaning today. It's Sunday clean. So we're gonna do laundry. We're gonna clean our whole place, Rodney and I, and then later on we're gonna take Charlie to the dog park. It's Rodney. He's making his morning coffee. I'm so done. We are doing this, gonna have our church going, get our sermon on today, go play outside with the dog. Charlie, your house is cleanup day, so we about to clean all this. It's about to be fresh, new place. So we got some new sheets from Brooklinen. I think they didn't have a sale. We just wanted another set of sheets. And our room is like this pretty blue-ish, grayish color, but we got like a terracotta color sheet. So yeah, clean and ride. We came to the dog park. Look at Charlie. that dog in that hot sat in this heat.
He mad.
That's why he mad. I love this dog park because it's off leash. Look at them go. This is for the small dogs, and over there is for the big dogs. They are all over there. That's what happened to us last time. Oh, hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Oh, cutie. Good morning. It's Tuesday today. What are we doing today? So Rodney and I are gonna go boxing to Prevail Boxing. I've never been before, but I'm really scared. My friend Shay, she's going as well, and she said that it's hard. I'm actually very scared. So we're about to go do that. Later this day, we're gonna go ship off a bunch of stuff because yesterday I did like a closet clean out and posted like so much stuff on Poshmark, and a lot of stuff sold. And then I went through stuff that I wanted to go bring to like Plato's Closet and like Wasteland. And then I have a separate pile of stuff that I'm just gonna donate to women's shelters and Goodwill. Really, women's shelters, because Goodwill, they're like the last resort. But that was yesterday, so today we're gonna just ship everything out. It was a lot, y'all. I really didn't like do too much for Memorial Day because I was so focused on cleaning out my closet and like returning and cleaning. We've just been in like a cleaning mode. It's like a cleaning week, but it feels really good. Let me show you my closet. So I organized this part, and this looks really good. Hi Charlie. This is just some products that I need to give away. I need to hang those up and film a video of my Aritzia stuff. I got rid of a bunch of jeans and kind of narrowed it down. Same for my tops. This was like stuffed, but now I can move and add more things, so I'm very happy about that. Same for this section. I got rid of like some blazers and put stuff that was like true winter away. Same for dresses. So this all looks good. Change it out for my spring summery shoes. Have to go through all these drawers because as y'all can tell, they're stuffed. Organize this. So I put my colorful pink shoes at the top and then all my Coach bags. So all my tabbies. I have this cute little Coach bag and that tabby back there. And the bigger tabby right there. Oh, and that Tory Burch bag, but she's like a winter bag. And then I added a purse holder. I think I'm gonna get two because I want them to have their individual shine and just kind of have the glittery bags down here. I have to organize this. So these are just like the ones that I wear the most, I guess you would say. But I added these two new fragrances. They were gifted to me. I just have a lot of fragrances, y'all, and I need a better setup for that. So I'm trying to organize this part next, but almost everything is pretty organized. Yeah. This is my workout box and fit. One of my favorite bras from Athleta. I'll link it below because it's a really good one if you have big boobs and you're working out high intensity and you're like jumping around. It's a good one. And these are some old school leggings from Athleta. Very old school, but yeah. See y'all at the box of class. All right, y'all, it's been a crazy week. It's Thursday, June 2nd. I'm in Pasadena because we used to shoot here a lot, Shay and I, and I'm creating some brand content today. I'm shooting for Athleta. I'm shooting this cute little set and some other pics. I think we're just gonna do 2 pics. Today is the launch of our podcast. I don't know if I talked about that on here, but I have a podcast I launched with 2 of my really good friends, Shay and Amina. Our podcast is Say So Collective, and I'm very excited about just having a different way to express myself on the interwebs because it's been video, it's been photo, but I don't know, I'm just very excited to have like just conversation about different things. So we're super excited. Today is our launch. We've been having a little technical difficulties, but it's gonna be good. I already know it's gonna be good. So by the time I post this video, we should have launched already. So I will have everything about the podcast and where to find us in the description box below if you want to listen, support, all that. But yeah, I'm in the parking lot waiting for Shay to come. I had to take my hair down, y'all. So I have on my headband wig, which I'm okay with for right now. I also bought a what's that called? A longer headband wig because this one is like, what length is this? Pretty short. And yeah, say all that to say, y'all, I gotta give y'all tea, but like my edges are done. They're done. Don't do what I do. I had a sew in, I had my leave out, and I was working out, and I was not washing my leave out, and it was just getting raggedy, and my edges broke out. But we're gonna say that for a different day. I'm gonna show y'all my hair. Hopefully I have revived it. The products I use actually like were really great. I'll share with you guys the products later. But Shay just arrived. We're about to start taking some photos. I'll show y'all a little BTS. Hello friends. We just launched our podcast. The one I was saying about earlier, the Say So Collective. Super excited. It just feels so good to like have it out there and just receive all the positivity and everything that we've been hearing. Like all the feedback has just been really great. So So I'm sitting at my desk, and I am now about to go through the photos that I took today because I have to turn them in tomorrow for a brand. So going to do that, and I just washed hair. If y'all don't know, I have a hair company with my best friend called Hair for the Girls. I'll also put that in the description box. But we sell natural curly hair. So kinky straight, this hair texture. All the hair texture I've pretty much been wearing in my last videos, the straight hair. Curly, coily, and a kinky texture. So we sell all the things. So I've been washing all the hair to ship out tomorrow and just prepping. It's just been a lot. It's been a really busy week for me. Yeah, I'm really excited. Been a busy week. It's been a fun week. But oh, I just left this event. So I went to the event with a company called Gorjana, and they gifted me this pretty necklace. Well, they gave us a gift card, and this is what I chose, and it's so pretty and dainty. I don't know if y'all really can get into it, but it has my birthstone color, December 30th, Capricorn, and yeah, and they also gave us another necklace. I need to pull that out, but I really like the jewelry. I wanted to get a ring, but I'm doing a no buy June, so I can't really buy anything. I'm trying not to shop, so I didn't get the ring. Yeah, that's what happened today. It was fun. Today was a good day. It was a long day, but I'm excited to be at the end of the day. I'm gonna cook me some food for my mans and then start the busy day tomorrow. Tomorrow's also a busy day. Every day is a busy day. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all tomorrow.